Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this beautiful 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package, all-wheel drive. Vehicle's loaded up, beautiful condition, beautiful wheels and tires, paint's in beautiful shape, backup camera, a lot of safety features in this one. All-wheel drive, a plus for you guys up north. Really nice condition. Let's go ahead and take a closer look, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Really nice. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Lower lights in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful condition. Lower fog looks beautiful. Look at that spoiler on the bottom, looks really nice. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, really nice condition. Really outstanding shape. Super nice. Windshield's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, not a mark on it. Looks amazing. Very nice. Does have a small little chip right there. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Looks amazing. Driver door, also in beautiful shape, clean throughout, amazing condition. Rear door on the driver's side, amazing condition, clean throughout, very nice. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, amazing condition. Take a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape, very nice. Look at those rear lights, also in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Glass in the rear, amazing condition. Looks good. Look at that spoiler in the back, looks really sharp. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout, looks super clean. All right, let's take a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side. Beautiful shape throughout, looks amazing. Rear door. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Take a look at the front door. Front door on the passenger side, also in amazing shape. Front fender on the passenger side looks amazing, beautiful shape. Windshield on this side looks good. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in great shape. Really nice. This model has a nice package. It's got those beautiful chrome colors here on top. Really nice. Not really a chrome, but that silver color on top looks amazing. Looks super sharp. It's just not all black on those rails. Looks beautiful. Really nice condition all the way through. Beautiful shape. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at this door panel for this 2024 Chevy Trailblazer LT. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Take a look at the armrest, really nice condition. Take a look at all the controls, beautiful. Control for the rear hatch, it's power, very nice. All right, power seat on this one. Seats are in great shape. Looks amazing, very nice. Two-tone with the piping on it, looks beautiful. Rubber floor mats all the way across, everywhere, in the back also. Dashboard steering wheel in beautiful shape. Leather wrap steering wheel, looks amazing. Very nice, we'll take a closer look at that in a moment. Really beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape all the way through. Floor mats are in beautiful condition. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition all the way. Look amazing. Very nice. Rubber floor mats in the back and the front. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look here. USBs right there. Power plug, inverter there. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. It's clean throughout. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the storage pocket there. Very nice. Rear seats are in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. Really great shape overall. Okay, we're sitting inside this Chevrolet 2024 Trailblazer all-wheel drive LT package. Take a look here. Key fob, lock unlock, remote start, power hatch. Super nice, original key. We're going to set the key down here because this one is a push button start. Look at that right there. So we're going to press the brake. We're going to push the button. Vehicle's going to start right up. Look at that. So nice. Look at that. Really amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the cluster on this one. This one's really nice. Look at the RPMs. Beautiful display. Okay, so this display has here the fuel, compass here on top, miles per hour, RPMs that I just showed you. On this side here, it shows you the distance from the vehicle in front of you, the temperature for the engine. Right now it's on two-wheel drive. So this is an all-wheel drive, so you can put it on all-wheel drive. Those are miles until empty. It shows you it's in park right now. Super nice. This one has 12,962 miles. Vehicle's brand new. All right, so let's go ahead and let's put it on all-wheel drive here. If you can see, there you go. Now it says all-wheel drive. All I did was press this button right here, and we activated the all-wheel drive. So since we're looking at those buttons, let's take a quick look at the other ones. I'm going to go ahead and switch it back to two-wheel drive. So let's switch back to two-wheel drive. This is for sports mode. So you press that there, it gives you the little flag right here, shows you it's in sports mode. That's the traction control button. There's the lane assist, which is super nice. And this is the bypass for the engine in case you don't want the engine to turn off to save fuel. So right now, it's active. You see there, it says auto stop off. You press it again, auto stop on. What that does is to fuel efficiency. If you're at the light for a long period of time, the vehicle will cut off. AC, everything else will keep working. Then as soon as you let go of the brake pedal, it'll start right up. Okay, another nice feature this one has. It has a charging pad for your wireless phone, right there. Power plug, USBs right here, super nice. Air conditioning control. It has temperature for one side, but it's automatic. So whatever temperature you set there, it works for both. Take a look at the beautiful screen. So let's take a look. It has Wi-Fi, climate control settings. Let's look at the climate control settings. Look at that. Beautiful display. Amazing. Go back to home again. Settings. Let's go through those real quick. Just give it a second. As always, you got to put your button on there really good. Okay, so this is the app settings. So for your audio, your phone, you're on start. And for vehicle, you have your team driver. It's super nice. Rear seat reminder, climate control, comfort lighting, power locks. Let's go back up to collision detection. So let's see all the safety features this one has. This one has a lot of safety features. Automatic emergency braking, alert and brake, front pedestrian braking, change lane alert, parking assist. Look at that. Really nice. They're all on. Check it out. Rear backup camera with parking assist symbols and rear cross traffic. So it pretty much has all the safety features on this one. Just really nice. Okay, so let's go to this one here. This is going to be for the vehicle. Trip computer. Look at that. Super cool. Very nice. And then if you wanted more information, you can click on that there. It takes you to that. It shows you the fuel. It's nice. Fuel economy. Same thing with the trip computers. Gauges. Battery voltage. Nice to have. Cooling temperature. Super nice. Maintenance. Tire pressure sensors. Oil life 99%. So let's go to the phone. We don't have the phone connected to the car, so it says no phone connected, but that's how you manage your phone there. And this is for the radio station. Let's go back again here with setting this one on. There you go. That's the radio station it's on right now. Super nice. Really in beautiful condition. Your front and rear wipers, automatic lights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, rear hatch controller and adjustment right there. You have cruise control on the steering wheel, radio steering wheel controls, and then on the back here you have the volume buttons, and the other side you have the one to change the stations on this side. Okay, let's take a look at the collision alert here. You press that button there, you can set up a different gap in the front. So further away is better, so it stops quicker. So we'll leave it further away. Heated steering wheel, super nice. You guys up north. This for the cruise control. This is for the information center here on top. So you can pretty much just click on it here. Let's just say if you want to go change the radio station or whatever, you can click on it there, put it on FM or whatever. And then this is for your phone to hang up and speak your commands. Super nice. Up here on top here, you have your OnStar buttons, your passenger side light that lets you know when somebody sits in the passenger seat and the airbag's on. You got your courtesy lights. They also work with the door, which is super nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Take a quick look here. Really nice condition all the way through. Looks brand new. Really amazing shape. Look at that, beautiful condition. Passenger seat, armrest. Take a look at there, storage pocket there. It's got a little space here, then on the bottom it's got a large space. Super nice. We showed you the charging pad for the wireless phone. Pretty much has everything. Beautiful condition on the liner. Really nice shape. Looks good on this side. Very nice condition. Okay, that's pretty much about it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a little test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to take it for a test drive here. Here we go. Super nice drive, feels really smooth. Turning ratio is really good. Drives super nice. Really nice pickup. Drives super smooth. Beautiful display. Drives so nice. now we're going to go ahead and check out the backup camera and the parking sensor in the back. And that's it. We'll be all set with our test drive. Okay, so this one has a beautiful display here. So now we're going to put it in reverse. Look at that beautiful display. And then this is really cool because when you turn the steering wheel, those little lines let you know which way you're rolling back. It's a really nice feature. Look at that. Amazing. We're going straight back. And then now the parking sensors just pick up the bushes back there. Then it has a nice display here on the cluster, shows you what you're getting close to. So if it was just on one side, you'll have that. Since we have bushes all the way across, it's showing you all the way across. Look at that. Really nice. All right, that's pretty much our test drive. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and take a look at the cargo area in the back and all the tires. We'll be right back. Here we go. We're going to go open up the hatch in the back. This one has power. Take a look at the key fob. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. You just press it twice. There you go. All right, let's take a look here. Looks super clean. Really nice shape on the rug. A little bit of storage pocket there for a couple things. Another storage pocket there. Down below, you have your jack and your tools. And then really nice beneath the spare tire, which is brand new. Look at the spare tire on this one. Brand new spare tire. Beneath that, there's a subwoofer down there. So this one has the upgraded sound system. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Now let's go ahead and close the door. Press the button. Folds down automatically. Look at that. Super nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really nice shape. Clean all the way through. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Looks brand new here. Let's take a look at the emission sticker. It looks amazing. Bottom of the hood. It looks beautiful. Very nice condition all the way through on this one. Amazing shape. All right, we'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new. Continental tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look at the rim. Very nice condition all the way through. Looks amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Check out the tire tread on this one. Amazing condition on the tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a scratch right here on the finish here. Besides that, it's an amazing condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Let's take a close look here. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Does have a mark right here and here. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. It's brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Let's take a close look here. Continental tires all the way around. This rim does have a couple little scratches here. Besides that, it's in really nice shape. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package all-wheel drive. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.